If your Subaru Impreza engine 25L RS has a problem with lights, radio, wipers, or starting, a blown fuse may be the cause. A damaged fuse can interrupt power to important systems and cause unexpected failures. The layout can help you find the correct fuse position without guessing. Never use a fuse with a higher rating than the original one. Some fuse boxes may be located inside the cabin, while others are in the engine compartment. This information can help you understand the electrical protection system better.